and this video will help you get the catering for the office Christmas party sorted. Hi, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We help businesses from Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, and the districts and cities in between to connect with food trucks. So why the Christmas catering video? If you want to have the best trucks for your event, it's time to start planning. In this video, we'll cover 3 things that you should have on your Christmas end-of-year party checklist. Tip number 1, book ahead of time. There are certain dates where everyone decides their Christmas party should be. This usually falls in the first or second Saturday in December. Last year, especially on the weekends, we had trucks vending for morning, lunch, and dinner services. It's the start of the crazy season, and you'll be in competition with big events. Keep in mind that the trucks will have a lot of choice this time of year, so you should be prepared to pay up front or get your deposit in well before the event date. Tip number 2, survey your group on what type of food they're looking for. Lots of trucks means lots of choices. Perhaps your group is looking for plant-based, vegetarian, or vegan options. If your budget and group size allows, consider booking more than one truck for faster service and more specialized food choices. This will make an amazing party atmosphere to say goodbye to a year which has been a roller coaster for New Zealanders and the rest of the world. If you want to take this a bit further, trucks can also offer Christmas-themed food as part of the catering experience. Tip number 3, backup location for outdoor parties. Our top tip for your Christmas party is to have a backup plan in case the weather packs in. The dates around this time are hard to fit for rescheduling, especially as the wedding season begins after the new year. Trucks are really adaptable to different possibilities as long as they know beforehand what alternatives are available. Consider using food trucks that have generators in case the alternate location has a power source challenge. This will give you more flexibility on the day in case location plans change. Christmas is a crazy time. New Zealand presses summer holidays and Christmas holidays into one space. Let the Food Truck League take some of the stress away from your event, so you can concentrate on enjoying the food and celebrating with workmates properly on the day and leading up to it. Check out the links in the comments below if you need more booking information, or let us know what your top tips are for New Zealand Christmas parties.